Tariff Act. In Custom Tariff Act, what is tariff? Why this act is applicable? This act mainly talks about types of duties. So some of you are already practicing in this area. How many types of duties are there under the Custom Tariff Act? Those who are practicing, they can answer the question.
So 2 types of duties, I think. Ad valorem and
that is the mode of computation.
Okay.
How many duties are there? Basic custom duty, additional custom duty, a special additional custom duty. Then we have IGST in place of these two now. Then we have protective duty, safeguard duty, duty against subsidy, anti-dumping duty. These are minimum, right? Other duties can also be there. Okay, just one minute. Sorry. So types of duties. So I told you so many types of duties. First is basic custom duty, additional custom duty, a special additional custom duty. Then in lieu of all this additional and special additional, now we have IGST. Then there is a protective duty, safeguard duty, duty against subsidy, and anti-dumping duty. Okay. So what kind of duties and when those are applicable, why those are applicable, what is the validity period, etc. Everything is going to be covered in the Custom Tariff Act. Right now, as far as classification is concerned, classification is a part of the Custom Tariff Act itself. In the Custom Tariff Act, number 2 comes schedules. In these schedules, number 1 and schedule number 2. Schedule number 1 is for import, and schedule number 2 is for export. As far as import is concerned, almost every article is subject to imported duty. Almost every article, unless exempt or it is covered as 0. But as far as export is concerned, very few articles. That is around 50. It is maybe plus minus 5. Around 50 articles are there on which export duty is chargeable. So as far as schedule number 2 is concerned, just you read the list of these 50 articles and that is good enough. Right? Maybe once or two reading that should be enough, because nobody is going to ask you exactly on which article there is an export duty. And otherwise, I can give you an idea that wherever we command you can say a leadership position as far as the manufacture or production or availability is concerned. Say for example, iron ore. We have a commanding position. We as India is having a commanding position. We charge a duty on that. Now, all other natural resources, all the you can say material from the natural resources, we charge the export duty on that. And specifically, if it is a non-renewable resource, right? So there we charge export duty. So once you read the list of those 50 articles, it will become clear. As far as schedule number 1 is concerned, this is a huge volume book that is having 98 chapters. 98 titles you will have to remember. Right. So I'll show you the list, or maybe I have already given it to you, and those who have recently joined, I'll give it to them. So you have to read that list a number of times so that at least the chapter number is clear to you. And once the chapter number is clear, then identifying the product, then it is very easy. Okay, so this is what is the classification and what the Custom Tariff Act is. This is only